For the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on any service and click on N on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find NVIDIA Display Container LS. You want to click on restart the service. Once you restart the service, you want to double click on this, and then you want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will make the service status running, and then click on OK. For the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on your graphics card and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has already been installed, you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list. Then you want to select the second one that comes up, click on next and install it. For the third method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to scroll down until you find NVIDIA control panel. You want to click on the three dots, then uninstall it, then click on uninstall again. Once you've uninstalled it, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. You want to search for NVIDIA control panel, then you could just re-download it again. For the fourth method, if you don't already have GeForce Experience, I'm going to leave a link to it down below in the description. You want to download it. Then once you download GeForce Experience, you want to head over to the drivers tab, and then you want to click on check for updates. And if you have an update, you want to download it. For the fifth method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully updated. Now once you complete this last method, you want to restart the computer, and then the problem should be fixed.